Are you feeling anxious or ungrounded? Your root chakra might be calling in for some support and healing. Welcome to another episode of the Confident Soul podcast. I'm Joanna, your host, and your guide for intuitive healing and confidence through Reiki and energy work. And today is the first episode of this chakra series where we're going to explore the root chakra, the foundation of your energetic system. This chakra is all about grounding, safety, and feeling secure in your body and your life. The root chakra is located at the base of the spine and is connected to the color red. When this chakra is balanced, you feel stable and safe and supported. But when it is blocked out, you might be feeling a lot of anxiety, feeling ungrounded, or even stuck. So let's get into the signs your root chakra is blocked. You might be feeling a lot of anxiety or fear for no apparent reason. Maybe you have a lot of worries and overthinking about money, your future, or even your safety. Physically, you might even notice lower back pain, stiffness in your legs or feet, and even digestive issues. At an emotional level, you might feel disconnected from your body, like you're floating or really feeling ungrounded. You could also feel stuck in life, like it's hard to take the actual steps towards the life that you desire, or even like a foggy brain where you cannot really pinpoint what you want. You don't have clarity about what you want, or you have a lot of fear in taking that action. So, if any of these signs sound familiar, your root chakra might need some love. And that's what we're here for. So, I'm going to teach you how to use Reiki to balance your root chakra. So, Reiki, as we talked about in the past episode, if you haven't heard, I suggest you maybe pause this episode and go back, listen, or watch the previous one where I explain what Reiki really is, how it can benefit you, and all that good stuff. So, maybe tune into that episode before you progress with this one. But if you're aware of what Reiki does and how it operates, what Reiki is doing in your root chakra is really removing that block and restore that balance in this chakra. So for this chakra in particular, I recommend placing your hands lightly. It can be just above or even touching it slightly near the base of your spine, or even resting your hands on your knees if you're sitting down. That can really help you ground and send Reiki, send that energy, send that love, send that light, whichever feels best for you, through your body. And it can even help you do a little bit of a visualization with this, because especially if you're brand new to Reiki and you haven't really channeled that energy, you don't know how it feels. So it can be useful to visualize a warm and comfortable, just golden light being sent to that specific area, and imagine it getting more and more powerful as you're just spending time in that area. And you can visualize roots going from the plants of your feet all the way down to the center of the earth. And you can imagine Mother Earth, Mother Nature, just renewing that energy for you. You can also combine Reiki with breath work, whichever type of breath work you prefer and works best for you. More of a faster, shallow breath work with more masculine energy, or a more feminine, relaxing breath work where it's more deeper belly breathing can be useful as well. And if you're simply receiving Reiki from a practitioner like myself, this person, they will feel that energy and they will help you clear it. So you don't have to do anything. And if you're doing it to yourself, you're practicing self Reiki, it can be useful to think of a red color, red light, whichever is best for you, because that red is connected to this chakra, and spend some time every day really connecting to this chakra, send it love and send it grounding energies, and feel more balanced. I also want to give you some affirmations specifically for this root chakra. So, a little bit about affirmations. Yes, they're very powerful to reprogram your subconscious mind, but you need to believe in them. Okay. So, if these don't resonate with you, if these just don't feel right, forget about them. Write your own, think about your own, say out loud your own. Doesn't really matter. Just do what works best for you. So, first affirmation is I am safe and secure. I am grounded and connected to the earth. I trust the process of life. I have everything I need to thrive. I am supported in all that I do. And take a moment to say these out loud or simply in your mind and really connect to the words and the energy behind it. You can even take a few deep breaths in. Just take that moment to tune in to your body. So, this part, I want you to skip it if you are driving or operating any other heavy machinery because it's not really suitable, because I want to do a little bit of a meditation with you, specifically for this root chakra. So just feel free to pause this and just make sure you're safe reaching your destination. If you're driving, I know that I love to not watch, but I love to listen to podcasts as I'm driving. So if this is you right now, just wait until you get home or until you get somewhere that you can really relax and not be interrupted. So if it's suitable for you to progress with this meditation, just find somewhere to be comfortable and just maybe close your eyes if that feels right. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And connect to this root chakra that is located at the base of your spine, around your pelvic area. And visualize a glowing red ball of fire there. See it brightening and pulsing with warmth. Imagine roots growing from this. Imagine roots growing from this red light, extending down your legs, to the soles of your feet, and deep into the earth. Feel the strength and stability of the earth supporting you, holding you firmly and safely. And breathe in grounding energy from the earth. And breathe out any fear, worry, or tension. And repeat silently in your mind, I am safe. I am grounded. Stay there for a few more breaths. Soaking in this feeling of stability. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your toes and maybe stretch a bit if that feels right. And open your eyes. Thank you for joining me on exploring the root chakra and how Reiki can help you feel more grounded and more secure within yourself. Remember to practice these affirmations and this meditation whenever you feel out of balance and feel a lot of anxiety and start overthinking. And if you want deeper healing, consider booking your distance Reiki or even in-person Reiki with me to experience more personalized support. You'll find information on how to do so in the show notes below or on the websites www.theconfidencesoul.com, or also message me on Instagram at the Woo Woo Scientist, and I'll be happy to help you. Next episode, we'll dive into the sacral chakra, exploring creativity and emotions and joy. Don't forget to subscribe and follow the show, and leave a review if you enjoyed this episode. I would love to hear your thoughts, so reach out anytime. And until next time, stay grounded and radiant. Bye. Thank you for tuning in to the Confident Soul podcast. If today's episode spoke to you, share it with a friend, a sister, or someone who needs this energy. Ready to go deeper in your journey? Book a free confidence reset call with me at theconfidencesoul.com, or just head to the link in the show notes. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Woo Woo Scientist for daily inspiration, tools, and behind the scenes magic. You were never meant to dim your light. So let's rise, radiate, and lead with confidence.